We have Dr. Reddy is in the spotlight after the company was dragged to court by OneSource Specialty Pharma to stop the manufacture and sales of generic semaglutide. Varsha's here to bring in more insights with regard to the bull case as well as the bear case on a DRL. Varsha.
Thank you for that. So semaglutide is nothing but the main ingredient that you find in Ozempic, your weight loss drug or your diabetes drug. Now semaglutide was expected to be the growth driver for FY27 for Dr. Reddy's, and Dr. Reddy's expects this to be among first entrant. They were targeting launch in Canada in calendar year 26, in Canada, in Brazil and other emerging markets too. Management expects significant opportunity when it comes to semaglutide. In Canada, the opportunity size ranges from $1.8 billion. High growth potential, under penetrated market. But on the flip side, Delhi High Court holds Dr. Reddy and OneSource Pharma to stop semaglutide sales in India. Next hearing is on August 19, which will decide whether Dr. Reddy's can export this product to other countries. But on the bull case, if you see for FY26, there doesn't seem to be any problem, because company is expecting double-digit growth when it comes to revenue, plus with 25% plus EBITDA margin. But the Revlimid, which was a meaningful product for the company, the exclusivity ends in Jan 26. Now this will turn from a meaningful product to a revenue cliff for the company, but Dr. Reddy is confident when it comes to other launches, so they expect to offset this via new launches, new products. And this will, the Revlimid, that is a cancer drug, will remain meaningful for the company at least till Jan 2026. Company has also entered into Jan Aushadhi program, which is the other key trend which is going into the pharma. Participation with one product, government initiative for affordable medicines, that is when Jan Aushadhi comes to play with respect to Dr. Reddy's. But uncertainty in US tariffs on generics, on APIs, is expected to squeeze margin for the company as the input cost for the company goes up. So overall, for FY26, there doesn't seem to be any problem when it comes to Dr. Reddy's. But yeah, on August 19, all the matters will be decided, whether semaglutide will be exported by Dr. Reddy's, and why OneSource is dragged into this, because OneSource is the CDMO player for Dr. Reddy's for this semaglutide drug.
Okay, so that giving us the lowdown. Thank you, Varsha, for giving us that good, quick, brief background with regard to the bull versus bear case on a DRL. Siddharth, do you have a view with regard to a DRL?
Yeah, so I think if you look at the Q4 numbers, more or less in line in terms of EBITDA, there was a miss. The company has posted healthy growth across segments, partly aided by the addition of new businesses. Plus, we saw a revival in the pharmaceutical services and APIs. So overall, I think okay kind of number. But what going forward, we are seeing that after 3 years of strong 30% earnings growth, FY25 ended with a moderate 6% earnings growth, and even for FY26, we are seeing a 4 to 5% earnings growth. And on back of that, we have kind of a neutral rating on Dr. Reddy's. Valuation seems to be fair and factoring in this slower growth, but a lot of uncertainties with regards to some of the developed markets, especially US generic market, as well as the newer product launch that they are going to do, and hence we have rated a neutral on Dr. Reddy's.